Good morning, everybody in Sydney, and good evening to people in North America and US. Um, this is Danish, and we are having a weekly chart review call, starting with S&P 500 futures. I was expecting it to go sideways, but instead it took a dip as of this week. Uh, so let's check it out on daily first before we go to weekly. So I now believe that we are looking at a scenario like here in June, July, and here in September, when the futures open in next 30 minutes, uh, we may see another sell-off, and this time I see it going to as low as 35.80s, and furthermore below that, the next support would be 35.25 on ES. Um, this is another maybe a W formation like this, another double bottom formation like this here. So another correction so that on the way up, it may take some time, at least a few weeks, so to speak. Um, we took at least 4 weeks here and at least 8 weeks here. So we can expect another 4 to 8 weeks consolidation before uh, it gets better. Talking about NQ, so NQ did not show as big as a red candle as ES, but however, um, we maybe if ES goes down, this may also start showing this similar W formation like we had here in September in Nasdaq. We have a big bearish piercing candle here. Uh, Looking at it daily, we have seen a similar fall like this one here. This current fall is getting similar to this fall in September in Nasdaq as well. So uh, this is something to be careful about. Nasdaq can go as low as 12,000s, lower than 12,000s. So the, the market may be consolidating around that level, 12,000 to uh, again along this channel, and we may have to readjust the channel if the fall is too sharp. Let's talk about Russell. Russell, as we discussed in the last couple of weeks, is now trying to get back um, inside this channel now. Let's look at it on a weekly. Now this starts consolidating sideways. Maybe we see another W here in Russell. It can keep on consolidating sideways for a prolonged period of time, like we have seen here. Russell consolidated for one of the longest durations out of these major indices. So most likely it's not going to breach 21,062 level uh, as long as we consolidate. Talking about Dow Jones. Dow Jones failed this resistance at 30,699, 30,700. And again, on a weekly, this is looking pretty uh, similar to this particular candle. Uh, a deep one red single candle. And these all indicate that we are consolidating. All of these indices are consolidating at the same time, showing correction at the same time. So We may expect a similar result. Let's quickly go over XJO. That's Australian Securities Exchange. We have a big red here. So XGO is forming this pattern on a weekly. So if you will, uh, here, this is a prolonged high base on a weekly, and then maybe we are getting into another prolonged high base. We may keep on consolidating sideways on above this level, at or above this level of 65.96. 65.96. We may keep on consolidating here for a while, like we consolidated here on XJO. Let's see, quickly Nifty. Okay, Nifty took a big hit. Nifty took a big hit before entering into this channel. So I guess we can forget about this channel for a while now. As long as the US markets are consolidating, Nifty will stay away from this. So we may have to redraw a new channel here. This has become a new normal. This has become a new normal. So then we need to see if it sustains above 13,500 level. If not, uh, the next level is again pretty deep. That'll be 12,000. So Nifty needs people who are investing in Nifty or India. They need to be watchful about this. So that's it for me. You may unmute yourselves and ask any questions that you may have.